Depression, BDNF, and neuroplasticity, a new perspective on brain health and dealing with depression and beating depression that challenges the very traditional and the very old, and maybe even the becoming obsolete. Depression, it could simply be a matter of the brain's inability to adapt to change due to low levels of BDNF and neuroplasticity. This concept shatters the traditional view of depression as strictly a chemical imbalance or a genetic predisposition. Instead, it eliminates the critical role our brain's resilience plays in withstanding life's inevitable trials. Healthy levels of BDNF and neuroplasticity equip the brain to deftly navigate change, even the heart-wrenching kind that plunges us into a depressive stupor, a soul-crushing breakup, the devastating loss of a loved one, or just a grueling life circumstance. Think of BDNF and neuroplasticity as the brain's coping mechanisms, its capacity to flex and yield without shattering and in the face of adversity. This prompts a very intriguing question. Am I succumbing to depression because of the painful circumstance in my life, or is my depression a result of inadequate brain health within sufficient BDNF and neuroplasticity to adapt to life's painful twists and turns? So this potent question reframes our focus, shifting it from the external stressor to our internal fortitude in the face of that stress. It beckons us to explore whether our neural arsenal is equipped to weather life's tempests without surrendering to the clutches of depression. So I put forth these ideas not to heap guilt upon those wrestling with depression, but to offer powerful, empowering thought experiments. These reflections can guide us through life's most jarring upheavals, eliminating a path toward emotional liberation from depression's oppressive grip. Depression is a formidable foe that commands compassion and treatment. Yet, by grasping the pivotal role of BDNF and neuroplasticity, we can become proactive architects of our own healing journey. So how does an individual go about a healthy production of BDNF and neuroplasticity from the brain? Lactate, a byproduct of intense physical exertion, serves as a potent messenger molecule. When you push your body to its limits through vigorous exercise, such as high-intensity interval training, otherwise known as HIIT, your muscles engage in a dialogue with the rest of your body via a byproduct of vigorous exercise called lactate. This biochemical conversation sparks a cascade of adaptations, such as healthy muscle growth, enhanced cardiovascular prowess. The brain, which labors tirelessly during exercise, is also a keen listener to lactate signaling. One of its key responses is to ramp up production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. So BDNF is a tireless champion of neuronal growth in the hippocampus, a region in the brain vital for forging new memories, learning, and having insights, which is valuable in moments of deep self-reflection. It also nurtures neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to mold and adapt to a shifting landscape. In essence, exercise is the ultimate brain fertilizer, nourishing it to flourish with strength and resilience. For those grappling with depression, low BDNF and neuroplasticity can render the brain inflexible, struggling to keep pace with life's relentless ebb and flow. Their minds might feel brittle, as if on the brink of shattering under the weight of uncertainty. So this is where high-intensity exercise emerges as a shining beacon of hope by turbocharging BDNF production. It's a natural elixir to bolster brain health. Prioritizing exercise allows us to take the reins and fortifying our neural defenses, cultivating the resilience needed to thrive even when challenged. Through physical movement, we become the architects of a stronger, more agile brain, one better equipped to withstand the tempests of depression. If you got some value from this, truly valuable information from this, subscribe, like, comment, share. It really does a lot for the algorithms online to share this with others, and you never know whose lap this might fall and who needs to hear this. You just don't know. So take care, everyone. Bye for now. Sharing is caring. I've heard that before.